Hi everyone, I am Niraj
And I am Nidhi, and this is our project.
and this is alarm system for drivers and students.
Hi, I'm going to explain the working of our drowsiness detection system using simple hardware components. First, let's look at the components used. Breadboard. This is where all our components are connected. It helps us make the circuit without soldering. Arduino, the brain of our system. It processes the signal from the sensors and controls the output devices. IRI link sensor. This is placed near the driver's eye and continuously checks if the eye is open or closed. It works by detecting the reflection from the eye using infrared light. Relay module. This acts as a switch. When Arduino detects drowsiness, it sends signal to the relay to activate other components. Buzzer. This creates a loud sound to alert the driver if they're falling asleep. Motor with wheel. This represents a moving vehicle. If the driver is drowsy, the system can stop the motor as a safety measure. Power source. This supplies power to all the components in the circuit.
I will explain the working of our system. The IR sensor keeps checking the driver's eye. If the eyes are closed for more than 4 to 5 seconds, the Arduino detects this as drowsiness. It then triggers the buzzer through the relay to alert the driver. At the same time, it can also stop the motor, showing how the vehicle can be brought to a halt automatically.
Now let's test the model.
Initially, when the person's eyes are open, the motor is running and the buzzer is off. But when the person closes their eyes for more than 4 to 5 seconds, the Arduino accepts the signal from the IR sensor and turns the buzzer on. And at the same time, the motor also stops running. This indicates the vehicle has been stopped. Now again, when the person opens their eyes, the buzzer goes off and the motor starts running.
Also notice that when the person blinks their eyes, the motor keeps running and it only stops when the person's eyes has been closed for more than 5 seconds, helping it differentiate between blinking and drowsiness.
Now let's look at the code. First, I defined the pins connected to the components. This is the sensor pin connected to D2 of the Arduino. This is the buzzer pin and this is the relay pin. Then I created two variables. First one is last blink time and the second one is drowsy threshold. Last blink time stores the time when the eye was last closed and the drowsy threshold is the maximum allowed time without a blink. In the setup, I defined pin modes. I also made sure the buzzer is off and the motor is on at the beginning. I read the state of the IR sensor. If the sensor reads low, it means the eye is closed. And when the eye is closed, I reset the blink timer and turn off the buzzer and keep the motor on. If no blink is detected for more than 4 seconds, the buzzer turns on to alert the person and the motor is turned off. Finally, I added a short delay of 100 milliseconds to avoid unnecessary fast looping. And that's how this code detects the drowsiness and activates alert. Simple but effective.